All right, guys, real quickly, I want to talk about defensive formation on a corner kick. And this is if we're defending against a corner kick, so the other team is kicking it from this corner here, and they're going to try to get it out either to a shooter here, possibly a shooter here, shooter here. In this scenario, what we want to do is we want to have our mids push back, probably to about this spot. We want to have our right defender actually kind of block this spot right here so there's no direct angle to cross the goal. We're going to have our right front defender push back here. Center D will probably stay right about here. And our left defender will stay right here to block that backdoor shot. Our left front defender will back in. And then we'll have our right mids, or our left mids and right mids push back to close to the outside of the box line here. Those outlets on the defensive corner kick need to come back to ensure that we kind of have everybody marked up. And of course, we'll be standing in front of and blocking anybody. But as you can see, there's really not a lot of angles you can shoot from. And that's what we want to do on a defensive corner kick.